Hello student, welcome to Standard 9th Political Science. We are studying Chapter 2, India's Foreign Policy, Part 3. In the previous lecture, we have seen national interest and foreign policy. Now we are going to study factors influencing foreign policy. Foreign policy decides what kind of relation to have with which country in the international system. But several factors affect foreign policy while it is being decided. So let us see which are the factors. Number one, the geographical location. You must have seen the globe or map of the world. You can see the geographical location of any nation from that. Some countries are far away from other countries, while there are several neighboring countries around some countries. Some nations have a long coastline while some have plenty of mineral wealth. In some, the size, population, topography, coastline, availability of natural resources, all these factors need to be considered while deciding the foreign policy of any country. So what we have to consider is that the population, the size of the country, the topography means the hilly terrains, ups and downs, plateaus, mountains, the plains, the coastlines, the islands, all this we have to take into consideration. So then the foreign policy is decided. The second factor is political system. In a democratic political system, the nation's parliament plays a major role in evolving foreign policy. When different aspects come up for discussion in parliament, the opposition party try to regulate the foreign policy. So any aspect which comes, immediately the opposition party try to regulate the policy by raising questions about the same. So the opposition raised the question to the ruling party, saying that why this is been taken, why this decision is taken, because it's against the foreign policy of our nation. So in this way the government is also tackled over there, the control is kept over there. Federal political system have to take into account the inclination of the constituent states while shaping foreign policy. So ours is federal political system. Federal system means that we have central government, but at the same time we have state governments too, and we have 28 states, and each state have their independent government. Overall, we have to consider all these states and their government while shaping foreign policy, because the affairs in neighboring nations affect constituent state. For example, events in Sri Lanka may affect Tamil Nadu. So Sri Lanka is the other country which is close to Tamil Nadu, or those in Bangladesh may affect West Bengal. Now Bangladesh and West Bengal are quite close to each other, and the northeast Indian states northeast Indian states are surrounded by the different nations, and therefore either China or Myanmar or Bangladesh. So in this way, it affects them. So when we are shaping our foreign policy, we have to consider the states. Therefore, it is an important. Why should this be done? The peace and stability in the neighboring countries is as important as that within our own country. Hence, India has to take effort to create democracy in neighboring country. So why should be done this? So in the neighboring country, the the democratic nation, the parliament or the elected members are elected, the rulers are elected by the people, and therefore when they are elected by the people, they represent people, and hence they are concerned for the people. On the other hand, if it is dictatorship, or if it is socialist government, or military form, then it becomes a one man show, and therefore peace and stability may not exist. Therefore, if it is like us, the government, our government is democratic government, even the other neighboring nations has the same, then it becomes very easy to foster peace within the nation. So the third factor influencing foreign policy is the economy. Economy plays an important role. In modern times, the economic condition of any country has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy. As a result, the economy impacts foreign policy in two ways. Number one, the foreign policy is shaped by the need of establish economic relation with other countries. So foreign policy is shaped by the need of establish economic relation. How do we have economic relations with the neighboring countries? The import and export, the participation in the world trade, all aim at strengthening the economy of the country. So this is important, that how the relationship we have with our neighboring states or neighboring country. Number two, in today's world, the issue of economic security are as important as national security. So we have to have economic security also, like how we want to have national security. No other country should come and fight with us. In the same way, we have to have economic security. The country's economy should be strong. A country is recognized to be powerful in proportion to the economic security it enjoys. Countries having a strong economy are less independent on others, and they can have an independent foreign policy as well. So if the country's economy is powerful, then they are not dependent or less dependent on other countries, and therefore they can have independent foreign policy. So my dear student, in this way we have seen the factors influencing the foreign policy. There are two more factors, that is national leadership and administrative factors. Those two factors we will study in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.